Hi, and welcome to the night sky of August 2022. This month we'll see a lot of different planets, a supermoon, and some meteor showers. On the 2nd, if we're out past midnight, we'll be able to see a conjunction of Uranus and Mars. That's looking to the east. Southeast, you'll see Jupiter. And if you look off to the right and upper right, you'll see Saturn in the southeast. Below Saturn are the Aquariids, meteor showers, as well as the Australiids, meteor showers. Fun viewing for an August night. If you're someone that likes the early morning, well, Venus is the one that's visible in the northeast east. You'll still have Uranus and Mars visible, same day by the way, where it's August 2nd, just before the sun comes up. Now if you're looking for a supermoon, well, that'll occur on the 12th of August. This is a shot looking to the south just after midnight. You'll see a supermoon here, right in the dead center, along with Saturn right above the moon, Jupiter off to the left in the southeast. Pretty wild. And if you notice, there are the Aquariids and the Australian meteor showers all around this. And if you look to the left of the moon, you'll see Vesta. Some really interesting viewing happening there. And that's pretty cool. This supermoon, by the way, we've had a few of them already. The moon will be located on the opposite side of the Earth as the sun, and its face will be fully illuminated. The phase occurs at 1:36 UTC time. This full moon is known by the Native Americans as the sturgeon moon because the large sturgeon fish of the Great Lakes is what they caught during this time of year. It also is known as the green corn moon and the grain moon. So this is the last of the supermoons for 2022. The next one will be in July of 2023. Also on the 12th, if you're looking for Mars, you'll see it in the east. The other thing that's visible on this same day is the Perseids meteor shower. If you find Mars and you look northeast or to the left of Mars, Perseid is here. And this is always a great meteor shower to see. Now this viewing I would suggest much later at night, okay, especially on the 12th when we have the supermoon. You want to get it so the sky is as dark as possible. I'm saying a little after 2 in the morning to view this, I think is the best time. Perseid is one of the best meteor showers to observe. It produces 60 meteors per hour at its peak. So the peak is this day, the 12th. So it runs, by the way, if you don't know, it actually starts in July 17th and it runs until August 24th. So I believe I mentioned that in my other video. But yeah, the best viewing is after midnight, looking to the northeast. Now, for those of you that like to use their telescope, and a pretty strong one, Neptune is visible in the sky. If you're looking to the east, you'll find Jupiter and the moon on the 14th. And if you look up to the right, you will find Neptune. Neptune has been sitting, if you don't know, for quite some time now, in between Jupiter and Saturn. So if you find Saturn, just look down to the left and you'll find Neptune. If you find Jupiter and the moon, just look to the right and Neptune is right there. This is just before midnight, looking to the east. That's where you'll find it, and this is on the 14th of August. Also at this time, by the way, Saturn is at opposition. So it is at its closest approach to the Earth. So this is really great viewing of Saturn. It will be brighter than at any other time of the year. It is visible all night long. So really get some great viewing. If you have a medium-sized or a larger telescope, I mean, you really will be able to see Saturn's rings and a few of its brightest moons at this time. Great viewing this month of Saturn. So if you're a big fan of Saturn, go right ahead and view it. It should be fantastic. On the 19th, if you're a big Venus fan and you've been looking for Venus, you got to find it just before the sun comes up. If you're looking to the east, you'll find Venus very low on the horizon. And this is, like I said, just before the sun comes up, around 4:40 in the morning. That's when you can see it. You also, there's some nice stars that are out as well at this time that are low on the horizon. Betelgeuse being one, Aldebaran, Pollux, and of course Rigel is right here. So you should have some great viewing of these celestial objects. As we head to the 19th, we see another conjunction, this of the Moon and Mars. And this is looking due east. Should easily be able to find them and see them. Also, Uranus is up to the right of the Moon and Mars. So if you're looking for Uranus, that's where it is. It's right here. If you have a telescope, do some pretty good viewing of it. This is on the 19th, and this is like 3 o'clock in the morning, looking to the east. Now, as we move through the rest of the month, if you were wondering where Venus is, well, really hasn't been that visible during this month. You really have to get the best viewing of this will be on the 27th, extremely low on the horizon. And this is literally like a few minutes after the sun has set. You'll be able to see it in the west. So if you're looking to the west, the sun has just set over here. You can attempt to view it. Mercury on the 27th is at its greatest eastern elongation. So it will be elongated at 27.3 degrees from the sun. This is the best time to view Mercury. It's its highest point on the horizon. So the 27th of August is the time if you're a big Mercury fan, and that is just after sunset. That's where it will be. Our moon phases for the month is the first quarter is on the 5th of August. The full moon is on the 11th. The third quarter is on the 18th, and there is a new moon on the 27th. I hope you enjoyed these videos, and if you do, please tell your friends about it. Hit the like button. Tell everybody about it that you like these videos, and please hit the like button. Thank you, and I'll see you next month.